Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create this comic cool text effect on your Canva on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create this comic text effect, a cool text effect on the Canva on your computer for your thumbnail or for your banners, whatever. So first of all, you just click on the app section and just need to select as text maker and just add this first application and add on the Canva. Then just open this and here you can find a lot of things. You just search as comic or just click on the comic option on the top. So here you can find this beautiful text effect by swiping down, and here you can see it's a insane. Click on this. Now here you can just add your text. For an example, here I just go with my channel name, so you can just change the alignment or you can just change the text size or text font. So you can just change whatever the text font you just needed. Then just go to the customization option. Here you can just change the color of the text you just needed. So I just go with the depth color or color fill color I just needed. Just go with blue or a red color. Then click on the come back on the color section, and here you can just customize the shadow and also the some effects here, and click on the add design. Then just select the quality and click on the add design option. So now you can see my design has been created and it's look like as a texture with a comic effect. This is how I just created this text effect on the Canva. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.